Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Rika Ramadhani. I'm from State Islamic University of Sunan Gunung Djati Bandung, Faculty of Social Science and Political Science, majoring Public Administration. In this occasion, I'm going to give a presentation about how to give an effective presentation using PowerPoint based on the Journal of EDM by M.Pd 2006. This video to fulfill the English for Administration course final exam. Next, the presentation will be in three parts. First, definition of presentation. Second, the advantages of using PowerPoint presentation. And third, how to give an effective presentation using PowerPoint. So, let's begin. What is the presentation? Presentation is an activity of speaking in front of many audience or a form of communication. Presentation is the activity of submitting a topic, opinion, or information to others. And next, the advantages of using PowerPoint presentation. In this technological era, electronic presentation have become a habit and almost usual use. And PowerPoint is also the most commonly used computer-based presentation. And the advantages of using PowerPoint presentation, there are cost-saving, portability, easy updating capabilities, and multimedia function such as animation, video, and sound. And next, how to give an effective presentation using PowerPoint. There are preparation, production of slides, the presentation, and answer question session. And next, first, preparation. In preparation, the skills needed to give an effective presentation can basically be learned and improved with practice or preparation. The preparation include PowerPoint slide, speaking preparation, tools preparation, and others. And to get the most out of the presentation using PowerPoint, the best presentation are practice or preparation, not so the speaker memorize the conversation, but to facilitate his ability to interact with the audience and confident. And this presentation also allows you to become fully acquainted with PowerPoint slide, so you know what's coming next, and can also help reduce tension during presentation, control presentation speed, and easy to following slides, and highlight questions that may be asked. And next, second, production of slides. In production of slides, there are slide template, font, and content slide. Slide template. In selection of slide template, complex templates can be distressing and can also reduce the visibility of text. And a plain background allows the audience to concentrate on the text and not on the pattern behind it. So, choose an interesting template, use attractive slide templates, choose the right colors, avoid complicated templates, and plain background. And font. The font should be chosen for easy of reading and clarity from a distance. Based on the Journal of EDM by M.Pd 2006, Arial rounded empty bold is a popular choice for presentation. The font size should be large enough to ensure that those at the back of the room can still read the text clearly. Size 36 to 40 are recommended for main heading and 28 to 32 for text. But if the presentation is online, we can custom it. And there are content slides. In slide content can showing the structure of the presentation, such as list of subtitle or section, and then use the subtitle during the talk to help the audience understand. And the information on the slide should convey only the main point or keyword, and then develop those keyword again. Then each slide should generally be limited to one idea or one concept. And if you're using diagrams, table, graphs, or image, must be a good quality to ensure that the audience understand what information is conveyed. And next, the presentation. How a speaker performs in front of audience will have an impact on direction to what is the presented. Therefore, it is important to dress properly. When presenting, start with an introduction, convey the material to be delivered, and use word transition. The posture and gesture also important and should be practiced before the final presentation, and don't rush in presenting the material. And even though using PowerPoint, use eye contact with the audience, and this is one reason to avoid slide content PowerPoint to include a lot of text. In closing the presentation, convey the conclusion from the material that has been delivered. And finally, question and answer session. Before the presentation, try to practice and think about the question that might be asked. This will give you practice in dialing the question and will allow you to prepare several possible answers. And don't be afraid to ask the audience to repeat or clarify their question, because if you don't understand the question, usually either the audience doesn't understand. And last, ask the audience to add or respond the answer. And finally, I want to add my presentation by summarizing the information that how give an effective presentation using PowerPoint. There are basic techniques to improve your presentation skill can be learned with preparation, and there are the production of slides, which include use slide templates, use of font, and slide content or structure of a presentation. So that's all presentation from me, may be useful. I'm sorry for my mistake. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.